My name is Kassy, and I have done the 45-day Fit Mom Academy. And I love the community here, love the workouts. I love the nutrition-based aspect of it. It got me to eat more, even though I wasn't used to eating more, and gave me just a sense of balance while I was working all the time. And I would encourage anybody that wants just the mental clarity, the community. That was my biggest thing, is when we came here, we were all moms, we were all hanging out, like we had talked for days, and I loved that, and I love the community here.
What were your results like? You said you ate more. Did you lose weight?
I did lose weight. I lost, my first 3 weeks, I lost almost 4 pounds in my like core area, and then also in my arms, which was good because I need the strength in my arms. So I was like, yay, like let's build the muscle. And then since I started, which was in the beginning of July, I've lost a total of 8 pounds.
That's awesome.
And I'm still going.
Awesome. Why should you invite your friends in to join you?
The community is awesome. Just the encouragement you get, and also I feel like other moms working with other moms, it builds that stamina for us, and it gets us away from the everyday busy life of kids.